Hello friends, today I'm gonna show you how to make a double crochet stitch. So first, we're gonna load our hook and we're gonna put it through the small hole where we're gonna knit our stitch. We take a piece of wool and then create 3 loops. We take another piece of wool and we pass it through the first 2 loops and we'll get 2 more loops. Then we take another piece of wool and pass it through these 2 last loops. And there we have our high stitch or double crochet stitch. Let's do it again. Take a piece of wool and pass the hook through the hole where we're gonna knit our stitch. Take another piece and we'll have 3 loops. Take a new piece of wool and pass it through the first 2 loops. Take another piece and pass it through the remaining loops. And there you'll have your double crochet stitch or high stitch.